In this section, we're going to be looking at how CSS can be used to enhance the style of your page, your images, fonts, text. You can do so much to enhance your page through CSS. So there are three main ways that we can use CSS: through inline styling, internal style, and external style sheets. We're going to be using inline style sheets and internal style sheets. In order to write CSS syntax, you first begin with a selector, and that selector, it declares what exactly the element is that you're styling. So H1 in this example means I want to style every header one in my page. Color blue, font size 12 pixels. There's two ways that you can write CSS. You can write it inline this way here, or it can be more column form so you can see a little better. Whichever way you choose is up to you. So let's create a style section. Looking at the page that I've created, looking at the page that I've created, you can see that my images are pretty large. We can use CSS to kind of organize these images. So let's do that. In this example here, we have you add the style section after the HTML. So style, I'm going to do images and margins. I'm going to come back to these headers. So inside of CodeWriter, we're going to go bracket style, and it puts automatically the end tag for me. And feel free to play around with these numbers. Style, and I'm going to tab image, curly bracket, border, 8 pixels, solid black, semicolon. I'm going to do the margin next, 8 pixels, height, 90 pixels, curly bracket. Double check, see if I've missed any semicolons. I always have to separate with a semicolon. Alright, so here's my page. When we click save, let's look and see how our page changed. Let me refresh. Okay, so now these images are much easier to look at. And you can individually go in. Next, we're going to cover how to individually style these, because again, a style section changes everything on the page, where you can individually change just this image. So